Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to do a shape using your horizontal lines for your op art example. If you're interested in any of these other images, just click on the image and it will take you to that YouTube tutorial. Let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at my directions, and it says that I need to create lines using the line tool in Sketchpad 5.1 or use the template in the image link slide. I'm going to use the template. So the first thing I'm going to do is click the link for my horizontal lines, for my vertical lines, because vertical is up and down or north to south. And I'm going to click on the image and download it to my computer. Then I'm going to go back to my slide, click on the Sketchpad 5.1 link so I can create my transparent block letter word or shape. In this situation, I'm going to create a shape. So I'm clicking on the link and opening Sketchpad 5.1. I want my image to be this image is in landscape mode. So you're going to press the plus sign for new. Make sure PX is changed to IN because you want it in inches. And make sure your width is at 11 and your height is 8.5. Make sure the white box is selected and then click Create. I want my page to fit in my screen, so you're going to click the magnifying glass, broken square, minus sign, and then you're going to begin. I'm going to start by inserting my template. Click on the happy face for the clip art, load your own image, and you're going to insert the vertical lines. I don't know why I keep saying horizontal. You're going to insert your vertical lines image onto your screen. I want this to fit, so I'm going to take the corner and drag it to the top left and the bottom right, making sure it extends all the way to the gray part of my screen. Now I'm ready to insert my shape. To insert your shape, you're going to click on the shape icon. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 icons down on the left. You may choose any shape you wish: square, rectangle, polygon, triangle, starburst, circle, ellipse, pie, ring, radial burst, gear, spiral, or heart. I'm going to choose a star. So I'm going to choose one large star. Do you notice that it's colored in? That's not what I want, so I'm going to backspace that image and make sure that there is no fill, which means no color. So next to the word fill, you're going to put 0%. So now it should be gray and white squares to show that it's transparent. Okay, so now I'm going to insert my shape. Make it nice and large. There you have it. That's my shape. Now I'm ready to insert my image to slide 2 because my sketch is now complete. If your next step is to color, that means you're finished your sketch. So I'm going to save it by clicking on the disk icon at the bottom left of my screen, and I'm going to choose Download JPEG. Then I'm going to go to my slide and then insert my slide in slide 2. Insert, image, upload from computer, and then insert my image. Please do not take a screenshot. It's very important that you actually save your image, because when you do screenshots, it will make your image very blurry and it may not save your and you might accidentally close your application and it will not save. So you want to always make sure you save your sketch. You may need it later on. Now I'm ready to start coloring. I want my colors to be black and blue. So I'm going to choose one of those colors and color my lines. The first thing I want to make sure is that it's on pixel fill. So make sure pixel fill is selected. The tolerance is at 50% and that it's a solid color. Okay, I'm now ready to choose my blue. Actually, I've changed my mind. I want my colors to be complementary colors since that's what is in the example. So let's say I forget what the complementary colors are. One of my colors is blue. So I want to know, what is the complement of blue? On the color wheel, the complement is the color that is exactly opposite or across the street from the color that I chose. So I chose blue because I'm going to do dark blue. And then I need to make sure that it's yellow-orange because that is the color that's directly across. Or if you're just doing a basic blue, it would be orange. Okay, so here we go. So I'm choosing blue, and I'm making sure my lines are colored. Click on those lines. There we go. Click on those lines to color just the lines. There you have it. I just want the line selected. If you make a mistake, you can click Control Z or click the undo arrow. Now I'm ready to color. Now that all of my lines are now blue, I'm going to alternate my colors. Almost like a checkerboard. Alternate my colors. When you're coloring, make sure you double click your selection when you're coloring. All right, easy enough. Oh, I forgot one spot. All right, I could just leave it like this, but I'm doing the complementary. So the complementary of blue is orange. So that's what I'm going to choose. Make that blue. And I'm going to choose my orange. Now all of my other colors will be orange. And there you have it. My image is now complete. I have my blue and I have my complementary color. I'm ready to save it. Click on the save icon, download JPEG, go to my slide 1, insert image, upload from computer, and there is my colored final. Drag the corner to make it bigger and fit in the blue slide. So now my final is complete. I'm going to make sure I go to slide 3 and all the checks are checked. And then I'm done. If you're interested in any of the other tutorials that I have, just click on that link and then it will show you how to do it. All right, have fun, everyone.